be, just light hasn't come on. Oh, fuck, could have done it two-wheel drive. Yeah, now the light's on. Stay to the right side.
Yeah, she's quite a drop.
Yeah. I'll try to take it in one.
Yeah, you're on the log.
Yep.
Yeah.
There we go.
Big difference with that log there.
Oh yeah, that's a good sized log. Well, this has changed a lot since November. I think it might have been like early.
It's gone from an easy little dirt road to like a proper four-wheel drive piece of...
Yeah. You know, as long as you keep, I like constant throttle, the thing just goes and climbs. We have found its limits a few times today.
Well, there was only really that one little bit there that was clearly you were risking damaging your car to go past if you didn't go around the cheek.
So that's Lone Pine again. We'll continue on.
Oh, we went through there.
Yeah, yeah.
We went through there and came around.
Yep. So we'll continue on this way.
That was a bit deeper.
Deeper than I thought.
Yeah. But good grip. You can feel the grip all the way through.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
There you are. Oh.
Wow. Let's have a look at this.
Yeah.
That's incredible erosion from this water, hey?
Yeah.
That is just unbelievable.
Like this was a steep drop off last time, I remember it.
Perfect line. Perfect line. Wait there. You're on the log. That's your back right wheel.
I've got both.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, great. Beautiful through here.
Beautiful little stream.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's really soft. She's real soft.
He's winching again.
Well, I think you couldn't go back.
Nah, I just spun.
Okay. can't go forward, obviously.
Yeah, the mud flicking off the tyres now, it's on dry.
Oh, yeah.
Or stones flicking off. Oh, Skippy!
Kangaroos, yeah, sorry.
Yep.
2 of them.
Was there?
Yeah, they went that way.
Yeah, I saw one go. Yeah, define fun.
Funny, just getting them.
This might have been that puddle I was talking about. I remember I was near a corner and in amongst the trees. Yeah, this is it. This is the one. I'll go out wide this time. Okay.
Watch it.
Yeah, got it. Whew.
Well, bloody hell, if you want to go anywhere serious, it's important to use your gear so you know it bloody well works.
Yeah.
And I think so far it's been amazing, just how well the winch works,
yeah, exactly.
all that kind of stuff.
You got the gear.
The right there looks a bit wild.
Yeah. Like I said last time, it was much drier.
Fuck, look how deep those wheel ruts are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why mud terrain tyres have got such big
Chunks.
big chunks, big gaps in the tread, deep wide tread. Jesus. Maybe I shouldn't have stopped there. Jesus.
Fuck me. Fuck. No, we're fucked.
We're winching.
We're fucked, yeah.
Just put it into, take the handbrake off, put it in neutral or something.
Yep.
See if it'll pull. Oh, yes, going all right. We're up to the bull bar.
Shit. It's that quicksand shit over there again.
Yeah. Oh yeah, still there. Lucky we did have that momentum.
Yeah, she was a gripper. This is the trail of the day so far. Like, for difficulty.
And I was expecting this to be...
That was almost winch number 3.
I know.
That
What
was
do you mean
almost
number 3? Through this track.
Yeah, this no, that's what I'm saying, this track, yeah.
Yeah. We've already had 6 winches today.
Yep, yep. Yeah, that last one was clearly the hardest of them all.
Yeah. Right, I think we're back on...
Callaghans Trail back there.
Yeah.
That's a freeway over there.
Yeah. Yep. I said 10 mile is just down here. Just there.
Oh, that's where you started.
Yeah.
That was awesome. That was absolutely awesome. Right, next one's on me, mate. And by that I mean, let's go over to that car wash there at Raymond Terrace and just get the worst of your stuff off under the car.
I'll do it at home.
Ah, mate, it's a high pressure hose. It'll just...
Yeah, I've got a pressure washer.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.